Hi beauty queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Be sure to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on.
That is my friend Jolie, and she is going to be joining me today in this YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put clothing on your mannequins in Roblox Studios.
On with the video.
So, you can use your friends or the catalog. Today I'm going to be using my friends because you don't want to see me struggling trying to look for good outfits. I know my friends and they do have some good sense in fashion, so I trust them. Today I'm going to be using Taco Craze and Pickles. I'm going to use Taco Craze right now. If she doesn't have any Nike stuff, then I'm gonna have to use Pickles. What you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to go to the three dots in the top corner and click on inventory. It will take you to her inventory and you can see her pants and her shirts. She sadly doesn't have any Nike stuff. Wait. Yay, she does have Nike stuff. So we are saved by the Nike. So at the top, you can see that there's a code in the box. We're going to copy that code and go back to Roblox Studios. Now you're gonna click on your mannequin and let's just close all the stuff that was open before. There we go. So this is the mannequin. You're going to click on the arrow right next to it. Then you can you go to the blocks symbol and it has no name, just so you know. You are going to click on the arrow right next to that and then you're going to go to pants. Make sure that you are in view right now and you have your properties and your explorer on, and you can find that in the top right where my mouse is, and it's 3 down from where home is. So here it is. You're going to press on pants template and you're going to delete that part. We don't need that. And you're going to paste the code. Then we're going to press enter and there it is. It's on your mannequin now. So I'm going to be joining the game and I'm going to show you one more thing before you go. As you can see, this is the Nike store right here. But when I go over to the mannequin, I can't buy it, such as this one. I can buy the clothes from this one, but I can't from this one. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that problem. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go all the way down to pants purchase. And you're going to click on the arrow right here and press and double click on script. In the middle, it's going to show up right here. And you're going to delete the 0 and ID number of pants. You're going to delete that and you're going to paste the code from that outfit into this, and now we're going to play and it's going to work. Right now I'm joining, so it should work now. Let's walk over to the mannequin. Okay, here's the mannequin and now we're going to click on the pants and it's going to show up. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, hope it helped, and come back to see more videos. Bye, beauty queens!